Welcome to the channel, you guys. This is the Real Tarot with me. I am here to bring you guys a message for the Aries for the month of April. The messages are intuitive, so they may or may not resonate. If the messages resonate, you guys, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. You guys know the energy could be past, present, future energies. The energies may be reversed. It may be dealing with you or someone that you're dealing with. Y'all know the motto on the channel is keep it real with yourselves. I don't know your story, so know your story. And know where you go in the story. Keep it real with yourself. Y'all, surrender card is surrender your fear to change. Of change. It says, the universe is reminding you that you are cared for always. Whether you're afraid of a charge in your job, your health, or a relationship, or if you fear aging or death, repeat the affirmation, I have faith that all is well. This is my first time getting this card, and it's the first card that actually has a written affirmation on it. Repeat the affirmation, you guys. I have faith that all is well. For the next 30 days. The energy surrounding you all. Y'all know coming into this Aries cycle or into this new cycle, we're coming into a new cycle with the Aries season, and it's a new karmic cycle about childhood woundings or karmic woundings. It reminds us that hurt people. Yeah, I know that we all have positive and negative energies in play within us. We can use our energies as we choose, free will. So you can either use the energy that is coming through with this cycle in a positive manner, or you can use the energy in a negative manner. The choice is yours. The energy that I have, Eight of Swords. It's the mentality. It's a trapped mentality. I feel like it's something that I feel like it's a learned behavior surrounding something. Y'all gonna get some revelations about some things. Probably some revelations about some things from your family. Y'all get the Ten of Pentacles in your energy. Hangman energy. It's about being trapped, stuck, caught up in a situation. This hangman makes me feel like it's about being boxed in. Somebody is thinking inside the box. You might want to learn how to think outside the box, y'all. Healing. Aquarius energy. Y'all got Aquarius, Pisces, and Taurus and Virgo energy up here. Aquarius energy. Healing. Remaining hopeful. Having faith that all is well. I feel like you guys are about, like I said, with this cycle coming through, it's about karmic wounding, childhood wounds, or any type of karmic wounding that you may be dealing with. A Cancer energy on the bottom of y'all deck. Forward moving progress. I feel like this energy surrounding you all of us really, it's asking us to heal from some things that's not serving our highest good, walking away from some things, leaving some things behind. This energy suggests that you may have to leave some things or some people behind in order to get on your higher path, your spiritual path. Y'all know the Hermit is about the spiritual path that we walk. Y'all got the Ten of Swords. A painful ending, y'all. This is all about the energy that's coming up in this new cycle. Something that it's a painful ending. But it's also the 10, and y'all got the Ace of Swords as well. Y'all know I always say whenever something ends, something new begins. I feel like somebody may have get some revelations about their upbringing. Some things that you may need to reevaluate. Figure out what's serving your highest good so that you can leave the things behind that are not serving you. One on is Eight of Swords. One on is Eight of Swords. King of Wands. Y'all know this is a single, independent energy. Leadership energy. I feel like this could be perhaps someone's, this is probably just, I don't know, let's see. Hold on, this King of Wands. I feel like it's a man that's caught up in a certain mentality, a certain way of thinking. It could also be a woman. Yeah, I know the energies can be reversed. One on this King of Wands. One on this King of Wands. Knight of Cups. Somebody may be caught up in a certain way of thinking pertaining to love. This King of Wands with this Knight of Cups, it makes me feel like somebody just has a certain idea about love. What on is Hangman? It could be the love that you have for your family. What on this Hangman? Y'all know, for me as well, y'all know swords, our thoughts are, for me, a lot of conditioning. A lot of conditioning thoughts. Make sure that your conditioning is not keeping you in a box. Keeping you in a hung position, in a stuck position, or a stagnant position. Because you think that it's supposed to go a certain way. One on the Hangman. Hold on, Hangman. Hold on, Hangman. Two of Cups. This is your soulmate partnership. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Hold on, Star. Eight of Cups. Yeah, this is about walking away, y'all. Y'all got Eight of Cups right next to each other. With the Star. It's about healing. It's about, like I said earlier, walking away from things that are not serving your highest good. Leaving behind any type of unemotional fulfillment you may have felt. Healing some unemotional fulfillments that you may have felt, possibly from your childhood, possibly just through life, y'all. What on this Ace of Swords? What on this Ace of Swords? What on this Ace of Swords? Ten of Wands. This is about your responsibilities. I feel like somebody is going to get some revelations, some new thoughts about your responsibilities, the stresses. Yeah, I see this stress, stressed out person. What you're carrying, the weight that you're carrying. Somebody is definitely having a lot of thoughts, and about to get some clarity on the weight that you all are carrying around, even if it's just in your thoughts. One on the Hierophant. Y'all know this is saying that as a man thinketh, so shall he be, or something like that. One on the Hierophant. He's saying right. King of Pentacles. It's about your commitments. This is a husband. This is a stable man, a provider, a supporter. King of Pentacles. Taurus energy. Somebody could definitely be dealing with a Taurus. It's about the commitments that you're making. One on the Eight of Cups. One on the Eight of Cups. One on the Eight of Cups. I feel like somebody ain't talking to somebody. Somebody might not be talking to their husband or something. Or significant other. One on the Eight of Cups. I feel like it's their husband, though. I feel like somebody ain't talking to their husband. I feel like somebody feel betrayed. by their partner. One on the Eight of Cups. Somebody may have actually lost a partner. One on the Eight of Cups. Temperance. Yeah, I know this is my light worker card. Here to help y'all balance these things out. This temperance for me is about controlling your temper, controlling yourself, balance. It's about balance. Temperance with the star, it's all about healing, y'all. Walking away from things. I feel like somebody is definitely gonna have to walk away from something. I'm not sure what you might have to walk away from, y'all. I don't know what it was in your past or your childhood that we may finna figure this out, but I don't know. It's something that somebody is going to have to walk away from. It's some emotional fulfillment or unfulfillment that you are not getting. I feel like somebody needs to really heal themselves with this thing. Nurture yourselves. Nurture yourselves as well. Nurture yourself. You need nurturing. One on is Ten of Pentacles. Three of Cups. One on the Fool. This is the new cycle that we're beginning. We're beginning a new cycle. Somebody may have had a fool in their family. I'm just playing. This is also y'all energy. Aries energy. It's about starting over. It's about beginning again. It's also about humbling yourself. Okay. Oh, with this Ten of Pentacles, I feel like somebody had a fool in their family. I really do. Oh Lord. But it's about a new beginning. It's about a new beginning. One on this Ten of Swords. After a painful ending. One on this Ten of Swords. For some reason, I feel like somebody is afraid to deal with their emotions. I'm seeing it. I don't even know why I'm seeing it, but I do. I feel like somebody is afraid to deal with their emotions. Or what it is about them that it's not fulfilling. Like they don't want to look at it. Like I feel like somebody not wanting to face facts. I don't know where I get facts from, but I feel like somebody is not wanting to face that pain, because it can be pain. Y'all, it's okay. And on the Ten of Swords. Look, facing it is about to lead you to a victory. Okay. Facing it is about to lead you to a victory. You got to move past. You got to move past. Okay. You got to move past the negative, the negative energy, y'all. Rise above it. One on the Hermit. One on the Hermit. One on the Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. It's about your karma. Divine timing. A new cycle we're going through, y'all. a new spiritual cycle. We're on this Wheel of Fortune. Five of Swords. This is my healthy selfishness card. Yeah, I know I have different, this Five of Swords for me, it can be a lot of things. Sometimes it's a petty person. But it's about healthy selfishness, especially with these two eights up here and this star. It's about doing what's best for yourself with this Hermit. Going within. Going within, y'all. And learning how to do what's best for yourself. With that, y'all, though, you also have to, I have to say this because this is just Aries energy. This is the type of energy that Aries brings. It's about doing what's best for yourself. But one of the things that it warns us of is being selfish. You don't want to be selfish, y'all. You want to think about others. Think about others. Because you're not just dealing with yourself. You're dealing with others as well. A great leader. A great leader. Okay? Leads by example. Like I said, they can go both ways. Some leaders are very negative leaders, and you have some leaders that are very positive leaders. We have a lot of different people in this world, good and bad, who look towards certain people to lead them. Know who you got leading you. That's all I can say. Inner child. Really, you should be leading yourself, though. That's what the Hermit is all about. Self leadership. But if you got people following you, you need to make sure you understand. Inner child. Inner child. This is y'all healing card for the month. It says, your inner child is urging you to lighten up a little, get out of your comfort zone, and have fun. In order to be healthy, we must engage our imagination, creativity, and spontaneity. When was the last time you did something spontaneous, intuitive, and outrageous? When and with whom do you feel uninhibited, relaxed, and completely comfortable to be yourself? You got to know who you are, y'all, to even realize, like, who do I feel comfortable around? Because a lot of us, we have different faces, because we're not able to be who we really are around everybody, because everybody is not accepting of who we are. So you need to figure out, first of all, who you are, and who do you feel comfortable around, where you can just lighten up. If you want to laugh, you can laugh. If you want to be serious, you can be serious. Who do you your Two of Cups. Your Two of Cups. Who do you feel comfortable with the most? Who gets you? Who understands you? It says, your inner child can be your strongest ally or your biggest foe. It can assist you to heal childhood pain, rejection, loneliness, and abandonment. It can take you on an exciting adventure, help you become more confident, daring, original, and bold. Or it can make you behave in childish ways. Bring up anxiety, fear, or suspicion. This card beckons you to heal your childhood pain and discover your independence, compassion, creativity, talents, and joy. A healthy inner child can help you connect to your integrity. A healthy inner child. Healthy. A healed, healthy inner child. It says divinity and purity. It believes in miracles and creates magic in your life. Find a photo of you as a child between the ages of 3 and 8. Look at the picture. What do you see in your eyes? I love this. It says, what is the expression on your face? If this little child had a voice, what would he or she say to you? Take some paper and using your non-dominant hand, write, dear, whatever your name is, I feel. Give the little you a chance to express itself. Then write a loving response from the adult you. Ask the child in you what he or she needs to feel better. Then follow the child's recommendations. So you get your childhood photo and you look at it and you write, dear whatever your name is, what do you feel? What do you need? And then follow the recommendations of what your child is asking you to do. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Happy birthday to you all. I pray that you all have a wonderful birthday season, considering the circumstances. We gonna make it do what it do, y'all. We can still celebrate. Look, y'all wanna get down here? We have a house party all together. So we gonna learn how to social distance over the internet. I love y'all. Happy birthday. Enjoy.